Alright, now we're about to do curls with a twist. Weight right out in front of you. We're going to go straight up. When you bring it up, we're going to add a little twist. You're going to take the weight and try to touch your shoulder blade. Just kind of twist it in a little bit. What that's going to do is when you bring it straight up, you're going to work the main part of your bicep, and when you get that little twist, it's going to hit the inside. It's going to work on some definition. Ready? Let's go. You can do them both armed how I'm doing them, or do them one armed how Stephanie's doing. Good. Feel that. Yeah. Alright, good. Alright, we're about to blast them triceps with some tricep extensions. You're going to put one foot in front of the other. You're going to lean forward and keep the weights down by your side. This is another one where the top of your arm from your elbow up, it's not going to move. Well, it moves just a little bit, but you're basically going to extend the weight straight back. Just like this. Nice and controlled. Good. You should feel it right back in here. You can see her tricep flexing every time she does it. Nice and controlled. Find a good weight. Isolating them triceps. Now we're gonna hit them biceps back up with some inside curls. Basically, weight in front of you. And you're just gonna bring the weight straight up and keep it close to your chest. You're going to bring the weight all the way outside of your shoulder. Exaggerate it. You get that full range of motion. This works the inside part of your bicep. Nice and controlled. Don't want to be jerky and hurt yourself. Good. Now you're feeling that. Okay. Now we're going to hit them triceps. We're going to do some overhead tricep extensions. We're going to do feet apart, knees bent, back arched, hands together. Just bring them straight over your head. Just going to go straight down, straight up. This really isolates them triceps. Good. Alright, now we're going to blast them buys with some hammer curls. Put one foot in front of the other. Arms down to the side. You want to keep the top of your arm from elbow up next to your side. Keep it planted right here. And we're just going to go straight up. So just like this. You almost want to touch the weight to your shoulder. Keep your back arched, lower back arched. You can do them one at a time. Or both at the same time. Make sure you're breathing. Breathe in when you lift up. Go at your own fitness level. Way to work. Alright, we're about to do some more triceps. We're going to do some tricep push-ups. Basically, we're going to go straight down. Keep your elbows in and your arms straight down in front of your chest. And you're going to go straight down and straight back up. You can do them on your knees so you can focus on doing proper form. And keep your elbows in. That way you're hitting your triceps. Make sure you breathe. Now we're going to do some isolation curls on our knees. Just arms straight out in front. And we're just going to curl it straight up. Just pump them out. Make sure you're breathing. Just focusing on blasting them buys. Come on. Yeah. Feel that? Good. All right. Tricep extensions again. Good.
Oh, sorry, I
No.
thought I didn't understand.
All right, here we go. Tricep push-ups. Pump them out. Come on. Remember, keep your elbows in. Make sure you're breathing. Make sure your hands are straight down from your chest. Come on! Push it! Next we're going to do some bicep burnouts. These are a lot of fun. Put the weight up in front of you like this. Weights together. We go straight up. Flex. We're come straight down. Keeping the weights together and flex your triceps. When you bring them up, to flex your buys, then we're going to go out to the side like this. And then bring them back together and back down. Flex the tris, flex the buys. Oh yeah. Nice little burnout exercise. Oh yeah, feeling that. We're gonna do one of my favorites, dips. Grab a household chair. What you're gonna do is just sit on it, take your butt just off the edge of it, so your arms are straight up and down, and you wanna go just straight down, and then straight back up. You wanna go to about, your arms are about 90-degree angle. Just like that. Put your feet out. Oh yeah, dips are lots of fun, but nothing quite blasts your triceps like dips. At least that's my opinion. Oh yeah, feeling that already, huh?
Oh yeah.
Doesn't take a lot of these. All right, regular girls with a twist again, let's go. Like I said, you can do one arm, or if you want to pump them both out, whatever you prefer. Feeling that? Yeah.
Feeling it.
Yeah, feels good.
You guys feel it?
Yeah. Okay. Alright, another set of tricep extensions. Let's go. Feel that burn. Come on, keep on going. Good. All right, another set of hammer curls. You know you love them. Let's go. Pump them out. Feeling those?
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Good. Blasting them buys. Good. All right, another set of inside curls. Remember, just keep the weight close to you. Keep it controlled. Make sure you breathe in when you lift up. Exhale all the way down. Last set of dips, come on. Give it your all. Just think last set for the day. Push it, push it. Yeah. All right. Okay. More bicep burnouts. Let's go. Come on, y'all. Oh yeah, I know you're feeling them. Keep going. Good. All right. This exercise, I'm going to give you a little bit of freedom, and who doesn't like that? Pick any one of your favorite bicep or tricep exercises and do that for this interval. Stephanie here is picking inside curls. I'm going to do some tricep extensions, but pick any one of your favorite bicep or tricep exercises that you want to work on a little more for this interval. Let's go. Come on, push it. Good. Okay. All right, set number 2 of you pick. Pick a different exercise than what you did last time. Let's go. Come on, pump them out. Good.